Hey, Jimmy. Alright guys, you can cut up the peaches for me real well. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we want there to be a good slurry there. Alright, let's add our other liquids to this. Hold on. Okay, give me a second. Let's add more liquids to it. We got olive oil.
I've never had peach. Well, I had before, but I don't like peaches.
Right. Now we add apple cider vinegar. I don't really measure. Now we add whatever bourbon you feel that you like.
What even is that?
This is a bourbon.
Are kids allowed to have that?
One, it cooks the alcohol off. It's just for flavoring. But one for the rabbit.
But are kids allowed to have that?
No. One for the chef. Always helps him cook better.
Why is it here?
And now we get.
Did they have it?
Now we get the. So we're using it to cook with. Careful. Alright. First we'll add to the meat, we're going to add paprika. Paprika adds a nice earthy flavor.
Earth?
Yeah. And we have onion. We have garlic.
Actually, it doesn't smell bad.
Black pepper. A secret.
A secret?
It's a secret.
At the end, can you tell us?
No.
Oh.
Okay. Now we got that good slurry. Pour that in.
Pour it in?
Just pour it over top, kind of all of it. Right, you want to just kind of stir it and mix it all together real good, or you want me to do it since it's cold?
I'll try.
You'll try? Okay, mix it all up together real good, like it's a big mud pie.
Like mud?
Like this. Just kind of want to just make sure it's all rubbed in together. Okay.
This feels weird. Can you pull that up? Can you pull that up, please? Thanks.
Part of learning to cook, you have to feel.
Okay,
Alright, now you can mix it.
This actually is fun.
You're my last nerve.
Get it all.
You're my last nerve. Check in these days.
How did she even get out? Just wondering. It's cold, but it's fun.
Well, it's been soaking in ice water for a while. You got it all coated up there real good. Yeah, get that all up in there good. Okay. All right. Make sure you get some all in the ribs. Every piece got to be coated up real well with it, like you painting it.
Okay. Ow.
Careful, there's rib bones in there.
Not so shy about it anymore.
Well, it feels like I'm not even being recorded.
Okay. Now we just let that sit and marinate in there for about an hour while we're waiting on.
try.
Alright, now we get a taste test. These are two kids that have never ate rabbit before in their life. Alright, give it a try. Get your piece, Jess.
It's so good.
It's good.